Hey there, I'm Jason Logston from Makin, and today we're going to be talking about a specific example from my own blog that may help tie things together in your own mind. So I want to give you an example of how this process worked for me. A huge problem for new sous vide cooks is how long do I sous vide my steak for? It's probably 30% of all posts in my Facebook group. There's a lot of solutions to this problem, right? Up through and including an entire video course designed to educate them on the science of how sous vide times and temperatures work based on the equations of thermodynamics, and Douglas Baldwin literally had an article about this published in a math journal. But I started with the simplest thing I could think of, a chart. Here it is. This chart will tell you how long to cook your steak for. And it took me about 10 hours to research the data, format it well, write a post around it, take some photos, all the things that go into a blog post. Now there's a decent amount of time for a single post, but not much compared to doing an entire video course. And this page started to take off because it very clearly solved my fans' problem. So I went back to it and I looked at it again. I thought, what can I do to make this a better solution? What I did was turn it into a PDF that a fan could download, print out, and then hold up to their food. When people saw this, they lost their minds. They were raving about how great it was. Incidentally, I only made this available if you signed up for my newsletter. There is a fantastic lead magnet. Now, I still haven't made any money, right? But this is all growing my blog, adding valuable content to it, and better serving my fans, all without a big time commitment. It's important to remember that not every problem you solve has to lead directly to income, especially if you start small. I probably tried solving 3 or 4 other problems at the same time, and they just didn't resonate as much with my fans. But they were still driving traffic to my site, they were still serving my fans and providing value. But this timing guide was the one that people really loved, so I kept going back to it. At the time, I'd been dabbling in iPhone app development, so my next step was to turn the guide into an iPhone app people had to purchase, and we sold a few thousand of those. Finally, we developed a sturdy plastic machine washable version that people can purchase directly from us, and we've sold over 1,000 of these. This was a $500 investment, and last year alone, we sold over $5,000 worth of rulers. Oh, and the #1 page on our website? The original page with that chart on it. So a decade later, it's still driving a ton of traffic and helping in multiple areas. Starting small, focusing on what resonates with your fans, and continuing to serve your fans and clients is a surefire way to keep moving your blog forward. So today's homework is to take what we've talked about over the last several days and apply it to your list. What solutions can you get done quickly? Which ones attack multiple problems? And which ones can help move you forward in the direction you want to go? Tomorrow, we'll conclude the course with some more action items to get you on your way to serving your fans. Till then, I'm Jason Logston.